What's up, everybody? It's Nick here, and today we're diving deep into the world of MrBeast to answer one crazy question. Can this guy actually become YouTube's first billionaire? I mean, we're talking about a dude who gives away money like it's candy and spends millions on the most insane video ideas ever. But is he actually on track to hitting that 10-figure net worth? MrBeast has built an empire on crazy challenges, insane giveaways, and let's be honest, some of the most entertaining content on YouTube. But behind those viral sensations is a business mind that's seriously impressive. This isn't just about making videos, it's about building a brand, diversifying income, and understanding the power of giving back. So buckle up, because in this video we're breaking down MrBeast's massive revenue streams, his growing business empire, and his unique approach to content creation to see if he has what it takes to reach billionaire status. Let's do it! All right, so first things first, we got to talk about the money. And trust me, MrBeast has a lot of ways to rake it in. First up, you got the YouTube ad revenue, millions and millions of views every single video. That's a whole lot of cash right there. But hold on, we're just getting started. MrBeast is a brand deal magnet. Companies are lining up to work with this guy, throwing big bucks his way to feature their products in his videos. And let's not forget about his own ventures. Beast Burger, Feastables, these aren't just side hustles, people. They're full-blown businesses, bringing in serious dough. And then there's the philanthropy. Yeah, you heard me right. The crazy giveaways, the life-changing challenges, those actually bring in a ton of money through sponsorships and partnerships. MrBeast has figured out a way to turn giving back into a core part of his business model. It's genius, really. He's making bank while also making a real difference in the world. And you know what the craziest part is? He's just getting started. His brand is all about pushing boundaries, taking risks, and constantly innovating. This means he's always finding new ways to make money, build his empire, and of course give back in even bigger and better ways. It's like every time you think he's reached his peak, he comes back with something even crazier and more profitable. This constant drive and ambition are what set him apart from the rest. He's not just a YouTuber, he's a businessman, an innovator, a philanthropist, and that's why people are so invested in his journey. Now, let's talk about MrBeast's growing business empire, because this is where things get really interesting. I mean, we all know about Feastables, right? Those chocolate bars are everywhere, and for good reason. They're delicious. But the success of Feastables goes way beyond just taste. It shows that MrBeast has what it takes to build a successful brand from the ground up. And then there's Beast Burger, his virtual restaurant chain that's popping up all over the place. We're talking hundreds of locations, people, with plans to expand even further. This isn't just some YouTuber merch, this is a legit food industry takeover. And you know what that means, massive revenue potential. But MrBeast's ambitions don't stop there. He's got his eyes set on global domination. I'm talking about expanding Feastables and Beast Burger internationally, reaching new markets and introducing his brands to millions of new customers. The dude is thinking big. And honestly, I wouldn't expect anything less. If he can replicate even a fraction of his US success in international markets, we're talking about a serious boost to his net worth. And the best part, this is just the beginning. MrBeast is constantly coming up with new ideas, experimenting with new ventures, and always looking for ways to innovate and expand his brand. He understands that to stay on top, you can't just rely on one platform or one product. You need to diversify, adapt, and always be one step ahead of the game. And that's exactly what he's doing. He's building a brand that's bigger than just YouTube, bigger than just food, bigger than just entertainment. He's building an empire brick by brick, and it's exciting to watch. Okay, now let's not forget about the platform that launched it all, YouTube. MrBeast is like the king of YouTube, right? And as a top creator, he's in the perfect position to milk every single dollar out of YouTube's monetization system. We're talking AdSense, we're talking super chats, we're talking sponsorships. His videos get millions, sometimes tens of millions of views, and that translates to some serious cash flow. I mean, have you ever seen how many ads are in a MrBeast video? It's a lot, but hey, you've got to respect the hustle. And then you got those super chats going off during his live streams. fans throwing money at him just to get a shout out or have their message read on screen. It's another example of how MrBeast has mastered the art of engaging with his audience and turning that engagement into profit. But perhaps the most lucrative aspect of YouTube for MrBeast is sponsorships. Brands are practically throwing themselves at him, begging for a chance to get their products featured in his videos. And can you blame them? A MrBeast sponsorship is like winning the lottery in terms of exposure and brand awareness. So yeah, YouTube plays a huge role in MrBeast's financial success. It's the foundation of his empire, the platform that gave him a voice and allowed him to reach millions, no, billions of people worldwide. And even as he expands into other ventures, YouTube will always be a crucial part of his strategy. Now let's talk about the heart of the MrBeast operation, the philanthropy. This guy gives away millions of dollars, and it's not just for show. It's a core part of his brand, and believe it or not, a brilliant business strategy. These crazy stunts, like that time he gave away a house to a pizza delivery guy, or when he tipped a waitress a brand new car, they go viral instantly. Everyone's talking about them, sharing them, pushing those view counts higher and higher. And you know what that means? More ad revenue, more brand deals, more money to pump back into those epic giveaways. But it's more than just the views. These acts of kindness, they resonate with people on a deeper level. They make MrBeast seem relatable, genuine, someone you want to root for. And that, my friends, is priceless. It creates a loyal fan base, a community that admires him, supports him, and ultimately contributes to his success. Plus, let's not forget about the high-profile sponsorships these philanthropic videos attract. Big-name companies want to be associated with something positive, something impactful, and who better to partner with than the guy who's out there changing lives with every video? It's a win-win situation. MrBeast gets to make a difference, the sponsors get amazing PR, and everyone feels good about it. It's a marketing strategy unlike any other, and it's a big part of what makes MrBeast such a unique and compelling figure in the online world. Now, one of the biggest factors working in MrBeast's favor is his global appeal. This dude isn't just popular in the US, he's got fans all over the world. And that's huge. Think about it, YouTube has a massive global audience, billions of users, and MrBeast is tapping into that like a boss. He's doing international challenges, collaborating with creators from different countries, and his content transcends language barriers. It's about the spectacle, the generosity, the pure entertainment value that resonates with people no matter where they're from. And as YouTube continues to grow internationally, so will MrBeast's audience and his earning potential. More viewers mean more ad revenue, more potential customers for his businesses, and more global brand recognition. He's essentially building a global empire, one video, one challenge, one act of generosity at a time. And with his finger on the pulse of internet culture and his uncanny ability to create content that goes viral worldwide, there's no limit to how far he can take this. He's not just a YouTuber, he's a global phenomenon, and that's a powerful position to be in, especially when you're trying to build a billion-dollar brand. So, can MrBeast actually become YouTube's first billionaire? Honestly, I wouldn't bet against him. This dude is on a rocket ship to the top, and he's showing no signs of slowing down. He's got the revenue streams, he's got the business acumen, he's got the global reach, and most importantly, he's got the drive and the work ethic to make it happen. But it's not going to be easy. To reach billionaire status, he's going to need to keep hustling, keep innovating, and keep expanding his empire. He needs to stay ahead of the trends, keep his audience engaged, and keep making smart business decisions. He's going to face challenges, setbacks, and competition. But if anyone can overcome those obstacles, it's MrBeast. He's already proven that he's not afraid to take risks, to dream big, and to defy expectations. So yeah, becoming YouTube's first billionaire is a lofty goal, but it's not out of reach for MrBeast. If he continues on this trajectory, if his businesses keep flourishing, and if his audience continues to grow, we could be looking at the first 10-figure YouTuber in the making. It's a wild ride, and I, for one, am excited to see where it takes him. So, what do you guys think? Can MrBeast become YouTube's first ever billionaire? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to see more content like this, be sure to check out my next video. MrBeast is an inspiration to all aspiring entrepreneurs and content creators out there. He's proof that with hard work, creativity, and a whole lot of hustle, anything is possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.